Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with FlexOffers, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the FlexOffers website. Once the homepage loads, locate the Sign Up or Join Now button. Click on the button to initiate the subscription process. You will be directed to the registration page. Here, you need to fill out the registration form with your personal details. This typically includes your name, email address, and password. Make sure to create a strong password to protect your account. After entering your information, review the terms and conditions. Check the box indicating that you agree with these terms. Proceed by clicking the Create Account or Register button. You may receive a confirmation email shortly after. Check your email inbox for this confirmation message. Once found, click the link inside the email to verify your account. Now, return to the FlexOffers website and log in using your new credentials. After logging in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Explore the available affiliate programs listed on the platform. To find programs that fit your niche, use the search bar or browse the categories. Once you identify a suitable program, click on it for more details. Review the program's commission structure and promotional materials. If you decide to join, click the Join Program button. Some programs may require you to provide additional information. Complete any necessary forms to finalize your membership. Once approved, you will gain access to unique affiliate links. Use these links to promote the products or services you selected. Track your performance through the dashboard to monitor your earnings. Remember to stay updated with any promotional changes or new programs added. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.